Hello, everyone. Here's your Eastern Idaho weather and planning briefing for Monday, June 29th. First couple of days of this week, it's going to be cold, and for today especially, or cold and wet, especially today. We're going to see some accumulating snow. It might fall a little bit down to around 6,500 to 7,000 feet in the central mountains, but some places will see a few inches of snow above 8,000 feet. High temperatures for today, 20 to even maybe closer to 30 degrees below average in some places for this afternoon. We got some warmer weather returning as we head towards the 4th of July. Unfortunately, we're going to see a daily chance at this point of some showers and thunderstorms. Here's our area of low pressure spinning over central and western Idaho. This low is going to take its sweet time. It does not get into Montana and out of our hair until we get to later on Tuesday, and by then we actually will see the next low trying to move in across the western states. Here we are going through starting at 7 a.m. this morning, and you can generally see that spin with that low over the area. Several bands of rain and high mountain snow. Where we have some clearing today, heading this afternoon, we have a little better chance of shower or thunderstorm activity. Not expecting anything severe. If anything, it's probably going to be a case of some pretty hefty downpours, maybe just a little bit of small hail. As we go into tonight, we will start to see a couple of areas of rain and still some high mountain snow. I think we'll probably see more than what the models are indicating in some areas, but your two main areas as we head to around midnight across south central and southeastern portions of the corner of our corner of the state and into the central mountains. As we go through tomorrow morning into tomorrow afternoon, we will see the main push starting to shift into areas along and east of I-15, but on the backside of that, more showers and some thunderstorms developing across the area. So quite a bit of precipitation still expected, even though we'll start to see things, at least with this storm, wrapping up by later on tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening across our area. How does that going to look for some snow and rain totals across the area? Let's first look at our matrix, though. Really no impacts coming our way. There might be a little bit of impact if you're going into the high country. Maybe if you're traveling over a couple of passes, there might be some slushy periods with some heavier activity developing. But other than that, just some moisture falling across the area, delaying fire season just a little bit longer. Now, for the rest of today, you can see some areas picking up 2 to 4 inches of snow across the central mountains. There might be a couple of places way up there that are a little closer to that 5 to 6 inch mark. For tonight, again, just some lighter accumulations continuing. We'll also see some of those lighter accumulations today and tonight over on the higher end of the Bear River Range, also over into the Tetons as well if you're heading over into western Wyoming. And for tomorrow, a lot of this is just going to be based on showers. It's going to snow, maybe accumulate, and then melt. Now, precipitation-wise, generally under a tenth across the plain, but look at some of these mountainous areas, especially into the central mountains. Some places could pick up over a quarter of an inch of precipitation just this afternoon alone. Into tonight, we see the highlands getting most of the precipitation. There'll be some showers continuing across the Snake Plain. And for tomorrow, there is that shift on to the east. And this is, I would call this a middle-of-the-road forecast. Do not be surprised if we get some heavier showers and storms or several showers and storms to go over the same area. Some of these places could easily pick up a quarter to half an inch, maybe just a little bit more across the region. Now, for those temperatures today, look at that. Not getting out of the 50s in the lower elevations, so definitely chilly, 30s and 40s into the mountains. A little bit warmer tomorrow. We'll see some 60s, still in the 50s across portions of the upper plain, and certainly 40s and 50s in the mountains. And then here we are on Wednesday with that next low moving in. And again, I think most of the showers for Wednesday generally from right around Lone Pine into Lemhi County over into the Island Park area south along the border. Just some more isolated showers and storms across other highland areas. Not much expected across the Snake Plain at this time. Now, a lot of people are wondering what's going to happen for the 4th of July, and you'll notice we go back to a different pattern again across the area. There's this low, the one that we were talking about for Wednesday, that eventually shifts back up into Canada after coming down out of Canada. You'll see southwest flow developing, and this takes us into the 4th of July weekend. What does that mean for us? There's going to be a little bit of moisture involved with that, and that's where that daily chance of showers and thunderstorms. Right now, it's really hard to say where we'll see those. It's just all about timing that little bit of moisture coming through. But temperatures will be warming back into the 70s, maybe hitting 80. Still not quite where we should be for this time of year, just a little bit on the cool side as we go through that pattern. And here you can see those temperatures, 70s and some 80s. A little bit warmer on Friday. That might be just a tad bit on the optimistic side, but temperatures definitely warming up, and then just a gradual warming trend with a little more cloud cover as we head into the weekend. So once again, the first part of this week, just some cold and wet weather, just like with the last several of these big storms we've had move over us with some rain and high mountain snow. But that warmer weather returns. Unfortunately, showers and thunderstorms possible all the way through the 4th of July weekend. If you have any questions, give us a call. Otherwise, have a great day, and do stay safe out there, everyone.